Dear students, in this video we are moving to next part, that is the monsoons are experienced in the tropical area roughly between 20 degree north and 20 degree south. So where we are experiencing the monsoon, that is in the tropical area roughly where it is from 20 degree north to 20 degree south. To understand the mechanism of the monsoon, the following facts are important. If you want to understand the monsoon mechanism, already we discussed some of the wind movement and other things. With that, we want to understand some more things. The differential heating and cooling land and water. How we in the smaller classes we studied that one, the heating and cooling of the land and water is entirely different. The land will heat very faster as well as it will cool very faster, but the water will heat very slowly and cool very slowly. So land is getting heated very faster, at the same time cooling also very faster. But when we are comparing with water, but water it is slow. Okay, and the differential heating and cooling of the land and water creates low pressure on the landmass of India, while the sea around the experience comparatively high pressure. In the daytime, we can see that when the pressure of the landmass will be very low pressure, because we can see the heat is high in the landmass, and so air will get heated very faster, so the pressure will decrease. At the same time, in the up of the ocean, so we have having India is surrounded by three oceans. Western side it is Arabian Sea, and downside Indian Ocean, and the eastern side it is Bay of Bengal. So all these three sides of India, we can see the pressure it is very high pressure, because water it is getting heated very slowly. That is the first thing we want to keep in mind. Second one, the shift of the position of intertropical convergence zone. What it is, that I will explain before that. What is that sentence? Okay, we will explain that one. It is there in the textbook, no need to refer anywhere. The intertropical convergence zone, short form it is ITCZ, is the brought through a low pressure in equatorial latitude, where we are getting low pressure in the equatorial area. Why we are getting like that? Because of the high rate of sunrise there. This is where the northeast and the southeast trade winds converge. We know, we have seen that one in the last page, in the when we have seen that one, the monsoon wind of especially in the month of January, it is moving from north side to equatorial region, and south side also to equatorial region, and it is converging here in the equatorial region. And so it is coming to the converge, means coming together and meeting together where it is in the equatorial region, and this convergence zone lies more or less parallel to the equator, but move north or south with the apparent movement of the sun. According to the sun, it is moving to the southward or the northward. According to that, the convergence line also will move little bit to north or south. Okay, so coming back to the lesson, the shift of the position of the intertropical convergence zone. This we studied in 6th standard again, the how it is changing the season, and what is the relation with this convergence of means the what we can say, the movement of the this sun to the southward or northward. What will happen in other side of the earth, that we studied in 6th standard. After this video, I will send that link also, then you can look that one, or I will make a small video. If you are needed, then inform me, then I can do that one. Okay, in the summer season over in the Ganga plain, this is the equatorial through normally positioned about 5 degree north in the equator. It also known as the monsoon during the monsoon season. The shift of the equatorial convergence zone, it is moving from the southern part of India to the northern plain area. Then third one, the presence of high pressure area east of Madagascar, approximately at 20 degrees south over Indian Ocean. Again we want to go back to the map. We can see that one in the Indian Ocean were up to here downside it is it is known as Indian Ocean, and it is the 20 degree. If we are taking this one, this is 30 degree it is showed, and it is, and if we are making to 3, and here from this area it is starting the that area it is becoming more pressure change we can see, where we are getting the high pressure area, and it is over 20 degrees south over Indian Ocean. The intensity and the position of the high pressure area affects the Indian monsoon. How we are getting the pressure and how much it is intense, according to that monsoon season will be different, or we may get high monsoon season or less monsoon season in India. Then the Tibetan plateau gets intensively heated during summer, which results in the strong vertical air current and the formation of the low pressure over the plateau about 9 kilometers above the sea level. The Deccan Plateau, we have seen that one in the westerly wind that time. The Deccan Plateau is getting heated in the summer season. Which season? In the summer season, and which results in the strong vertical air current and the formation of the low pressure over the plateau at 9 kilometers above the sea level. Next point what we want to remember, the movement of the westerly jet streams to the north of the Himalaya and the presence of the tropical easterly jet stream over the Indian peninsula during summer season. And we can see, again we will go back to the map, then you can understand this one. The second map in the in month of June, we can see the first map itself, we can see the jet streams, it is moving through this side above the what we can say Himalayan hills, the northern part of the Himalayan hills. At the same time we can see in the summer season, which is given here in the month of January, that is the winter season, and here it is given month of June, that is the monsoon season. So what we are saying here, the easterly jet streams, it is passing through Indian subcontinent, especially in the Indonesia part as well as Indian part, and the parallel wind, it is moving to the above the Himalaya, means the northern part of Himalaya. That because of that, what is happening, that we are going to see. That's why, and during the summer season, in the same time in the summer season, the movement of the wind in a two-way in the northern part of India, they are getting the westerly jet streams and its effect, especially in the northern part of Himalaya, it is not directly affecting, but it is getting influence of that one. At the same time, we can see the presence of the easterly jet streams over Indian peninsula during summer season. Apart from this, it has also been noticed that changes in the pressure condition over the southern ocean also affect the monsoon. Then when we are looking the world map, you can see the southern ocean and the pressure condition, how it is changing in the southern ocean, that also will affect the monsoon season. Normally when the tropical eastern South Pacific Ocean experience high pressure and the tropical eastern Indian Ocean experience low pressure. If you are looking to the map, here we can see this is the Pacific Ocean. This area, it is known as Pacific Ocean, and it is coming together in between these islands, and it is starting the Indian Ocean. So the eastern part and western part of both ocean, how it is getting heated, and the low pressure and high pressure change we can see. So let us read once again the tropical eastern Pacific, tropical means the where the Tropic of Cancer or Tropic of Capricorn is going through. In that eastern as well as south side of Pacific Ocean experiencing high pressure. At the same time, tropical eastern Indian Ocean experience low pressure. So we will go back to the lesson. Map. here this is the eastern side of the which one the Pacific Ocean, Tropic of Cancer, and here we are experiencing the high pressure. At the same time here we are experiencing the low pressure, here we are experiencing the low pressure. So the changes in the pressure of the two oceans, that also affecting the which one, the monsoon season of India. But in certain years there is a reversal in the pressure condition, and the eastern Pacific has low pressure in comparison to the eastern Indian Ocean. Eastern part of the normally this is the condition, experiencing high pressure in the Pacific Ocean and low pressure in the Indian Ocean, and some years it will change, and it will be opposite of that one. Then this periodic change in pressure condition is also known as the southern oscillation, or SO. The changes in what is happening in the high pressure area, pressure of the Pacific Ocean to low pressure of Indian Ocean, and after some years it will change, that is known as the southern oscillation, or in